Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G13. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other device, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about newsletters and updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Following that, on Motorola smartphone, click on Send at the bottom left corner. Then on Motorola Moto G13, choose Receive next to Send, also at the bottom. Then tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Lastly, select Close this window and go back to this Motorola smartphone. On it, you need to tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to choose all of those files. Then click on Send next to selected. You can also just tap on some of your files instead. I will go with this one and tap on Send as well. Finally, hit Got It in the pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on G13, above User Guide and next to Input Key. Choose while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this 6-digit key though, you need to tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and tap on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!